Hi, this is Sandeep, the ERP coordinator from Aginex Technologies. As in the previous video, we have seen that how to create question in the chapter. After that, click on the question paper button and then add question paper button. So this page will be open where you have to put in the question paper details here for your question paper creation. So first of all, type in the question paper name and then select these check boxes is private and visible to admin. Select your class and then select your subject. Type in the test duration, that is the total duration of the paper. After that, there is a selection mode button. Manual, auto and direct radio buttons are there. First of all, we will talk about the manual button. Suppose if you have created 10 or more questions in any chapter and you have to select only 5 or 6 questions from the chapter, then you have to select the questions manually. That is why that radio box is there. In the auto button, if you have to select all the questions from the chapter, then this auto radio button is there. And the direct radio button is to create a direct question here, either subjective or objective in any chapter. So we will select manual here. After that, select your chapter, select the question type and then difficulty level. So you will see that one question is available in the chapter for the difficulty level easy. You will select the question required and then the duration of that question and the marks for that particular question. So it will be added in the questions, duration and marks here. So there is this click here to add new row button. Suppose you want to add more chapters and the questions from those chapters, you have to select that button like this. You can select more chapters and then select the questions from that particular chapters. You can select either. As you can see that no available question is there. We have not created any question in the chapter yet, so 0 questions are coming there. Only these are added in here. So after clicking on save and next button, this question paper detail will be saved, and after that we have to select the questions from the chapter in the question selection field. So this question selection field is opened where 2 chapters are shown here, as we have selected 2 chapters from the question paper details and I have selected one question in the demo chapter. Those details will be visible here. As you can see, we have selected these in the question paper detail. After clicking on this blue button, this question will be visible. How many questions will you have created in the chapter, those all will be visible, and then you have to select those questions which you want and then click on the save and close button. After that your question paper will be generated. Okay, as you have seen that I have selected this, and in this question paper header we can select whatever we need in the question paper, and also we can set the instructions for the students here in this editor. Like this, I am creating a instruction. After creating the instruction, I am clicking on the save button. So these instructions will be saved in the question paper. After that, click on the question paper preview. So here your questions will be visible, whatever you have selected. And also you can set the sequence for the questions. If you have more questions like 5 to 6 questions, you can select those sequence and then click on the save button. So our question paper is created here. Now we go back to the question paper tab. So the entry is visible here for our demo question paper. Like this, the question paper are generated, and in this button question PDF, you can see the PDF form of this question paper. The question is typed here, instruction is visible here. Total marks are shown here as only one question, 4 marks are there. And the time for that particular question we have set in the question paper detail. Also we can see the answer key for this question. Okay, and also in the question paper preview button you can see how this question paper will be visible to the student. So the student will select the option, click on the save button and click on the finish test. So the question will be submitted. Okay, thank you.